you doing, Virgin?
Taking out the nails from the carpeting that was in here. Staples.
Why did you pull the carpet?
So we can lay down some nice flooring.
Say that
and
again?
also, so we can lay down some nice flooring. And also because I kind of smelled in here. It was kind of musty. So I thought, well, one, aesthetically it's going to look a lot nicer when you have the hardwood floors down. And then also, you know, get rid of the stink because it was kind of musty in here. And once I pulled out the carpeting in certain spots, I'm like, ugh, that was it.
So that's why you
So
pulled
very
up the
happy.
carpet.
Pulled up the carpeting and look, if you get closer in here, you can see how the staples, when they staple down the padding,
It's a nightmare.
you know, so getting those out. Just taking a little screwdriver, hammering it in a little bit, pulling it up. Oop, don't want to do that. Of course, it helps to put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. I feel like that, and then I take my needle nose, twist it, comes right out.
Nice.
You gotta be really careful. Look how sharp these boogers are.
Okay, so are you going to leave this molding in here? Because when you lay hardwood floor, you usually put more molding in. So are you going to put double molding on this?
What do you think, Mel? Well, I could do a quarter round on here, and that would be fine too, and leave this because this
Except
may,
I'm not
taking this off,
doing-
it may destroy it.
I don't like doing quarter round because you have to do a coping saw and all to get it right, and that's
But
a
then I would do a
nightmare.
little square then. Like
A little
down
square
here.
piece, like a
Yep.
3/4 inch by 3/4 inch.
Yeah.
Sounds
Leave
good.
this on, otherwise it's going to be way too much work, and it could probably end up destroying the wall unnecessary.
So it's over there too.
Yep.
Okay.
So then it'll be consistent throughout this whole room.
And you're going to lay these vertical or horizontal in here?
They're going to go this way. It's a long way of the room.
So when you enter, you're going to go the lengthwise, same as this flooring over here. So that's where we are. Okay. Okay, there we go.
Do you think that needs to be tightened down a little bit?
There we go. Yeah, Virginia.
I know, taking this funky box off of the wall. No idea what they used it for.
Huh, wonder what it is. If anybody knows what it is, leave it in the comments, please.
I have no idea. I haven't done taking the whole thing apart. Yep, I am. Oh, they nailed it on there.
Oh boy. Oh, wait a minute, don't do that. You'll rip the plywood. Let me deal with it. Okay.
Some nice screws.
All right, let me take a peek. Hey, it was meant to be used like it goes through there and then you slide it down. A screw. Okay, I got a
We're going to do that track lighting.
screw goes here and you put it in there and it slides down. But the screw head was too big, so it was difficult to get it in and out. So I ended up tearing it a while. I have to repair that.
It's because they probably didn't have the stud there.
Doing up there?
Trying to.
Put together Melanie's lamp that you made. It's pretty cool.
It's really neat. I know it's
That's
challenging.
really in the way.
I know, but I needed it there.
I need a more short screwdriver.
Needs
have
to
a
cover
short
up the
screwdriver?
box.
No, in that box down there, the toolbox, you have a short screwdriver.
Okay, I'll go. So we did this floor today, and it goes all the way over to this little nook, reading nook, TV watching, I don't know, computer watching, and then there's the bathroom over there. But this is what we did today, in addition to finishing that floor in there. There it is, the lamp that I made out of an antique outside light. I spray painted it black inside and out, and I bought piping, and the wood at the top is wormy chestnut. I think it turned out pretty nice. Probably look great without that ladder there.